20 years of Pavan Kalyan sir being in the industry, certainly a very monumental and memorable occasion. My first experience working with him was on Gabbar Singh. It feels, to me, it feels like that was so long ago. A very memorable part of my career, really, something that turned the tides, you could say. I was going through a phase in my career where I was quite doubtful about which industry I should focus on more. Was it Tamil, Hindi, Telugu? So many things. So for me, I think, Pavan Kalyan sir will always sort of be like a flag bearer of good fortune in a certain sense, because Gabbar Singh kind of changed everything for me. But more importantly, I think I really enjoyed working with him because since then, up until now, I found him to be a very unique person. Someone who is very interested in things more than just the realm of cinema, things that relate to society and the world and our opinions and our governments and people. So that's something that struck me about him. Even then, he wasn't speaking about much because he doesn't talk very much. But whatever he said, I found him very connected to the earth, first of all, and to people. So that was something I liked very much about him, that he had little to say, but whatever he said was something very poignant. Working with him in Katamarai, it's been a wonderful experience in the sense that it's lovely to be working with him again after all these years. I don't feel he's changed much. He's still pretty much true to who he is. I think the events and the surroundings around him have changed. For example, I've changed so much since Gabbar Singh, but he's pretty much the same person. I think he probably still had the same approach then, and it's just more obvious now. So I'm very happy to be working with him and always wish him the best and 20 more years of success and happiness and a life full of, fulfilled wishes that he has.